Hello everyone, I am your host Haroon Zuberi. First of all, welcome you all in the course. In this course, we will be learning about Git and its commands. Also, we will see that how we can use Git as a best version management tool. So let's get started. So, first of all, it's our first lecture, so let me give you a complete brief about the Git and its components. Also, we will see that how Git commands can be used to manage our Git repository perfectly. So, first of all, let's discuss what a version control is. A version control management is that, just for example, you can see you're working on a project on daily basis. You have to keep backup of your system on daily basis so that in case of any mishap, you don't lose your code or your performance that you have done in the past few days. So in this case, you have to keep backup on either a drive or a cloud or any device. So in this case, you can definitely put your code in the Git where you can easily access any version of your code at any time, anywhere. So Git can be definitely helpful to solve this problem. This is the point 1. In the point 2, we will see that how we can set up the Git repositories and see how we can manage it effectively. Also, we will see that how Git can be used as a free tool, like some of the providers such as Bitbucket or GitLab or some other providing the Git repository for free that are private, but in the GitHub the private repository costs a lot. Now let's move toward the other. We will see that how the persons who are managing the Git repositories over GitHub, or also we can see we have a lot of open source packages or projects running in the Git are just for free, or we can earn money from them. So we will see about it. Also, after that, we will see that being a developer, is Git profile important to us? We will see all the existence for it and see how we can manage it effectively. After that, we will see about the GitHub branches. Like you can see in our project, we have several branches. Like if 10% in our team are working on a project, then there can be several branches for that. Also, there can be a branch for every different module. So after that, we will see that if we are working on multiple branches, we will see how we can merge two branches. After that, we will see about how we can provide a README file to the other developer who is about to use our system. For the purpose, we provide instruction in a README file in which we told him step-by-step instructions to install the system in his machine. After that, we will have a bonus lecture. In that, I will be giving you some secrets about Git and will let you know that how you can manage your Git repository effectively. So stay tuned with me guys. See you next time.